So over the past 6 or 7 years, I've been working as a project architect and an associate at Collins & Turner Architects, which is an architectural practice based in Surry Hills, New South Wales, and have been lucky enough to work on some really high-profile projects like Barangaroo House, which I was project architect for. But in parallel with that, I've been delivering projects with the School of Renovating, so working on high-end commercial projects with people like Collins & Turner Architects, and at the same time delivering bathroom and kitchen renovations with the School of Renovating. So that's really where my passion is in architecture, is bringing together that level of design thinking from the super high-end architectural end of the spectrum down to the relatively humble kitchen and bathroom reno, or gutting an apartment. So done a couple of renovations myself as well, which have been really fantastic learning experience. But yeah, I'm focusing more and more on the smaller scale renovation type projects.